Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are spotlighting Pepe as one of the biggest pre-sales of 2025. This one is quickly taking the spotlight as one of the most talked about pre-sales in crypto right now. The structure, the community control, and the momentum behind it are making early investors pay serious attention. So if you're looking for what's actually gaining ground in 2025, this is the one everyone's watching. Alright guys, let's start off by saying that Pepe is a meme coin built with massive purpose. The whole project comes from the deeper ideas tied to decentralization, pushing back against financial control, and breaking away from the old systems that still dominate most of the space. Literally everything about it carries that energy. It's bold, it's symbolic, and made to challenge the way things have been. It speaks to financial freedom, but with an edge that makes it stand out across the entire meme coin scene. Pepe's pre-sale is structured across 16 stages, starting at 0.05 in stage 0 and ending at 16 cents in stage 15. The target raise is set at $50 million, and every stage has a fixed funding goal. Obviously, once that goal is hit, the price automatically moves up to the next tier. Tokens unlock hourly after launch, which adds real momentum and gives early buyers the chance to benefit faster. As you can see, each price jump makes the pre-sale feel like a countdown where every new stage adds urgency and rewards the people who got in early. What's also very important to highlight is that this one is built as a fully decentralized protocol and everything runs through a DIO where holders have full control. To propose or vote on literally anything, delegation is required and proposals need at least 1 million tokens to go through. Once submitted, each vote stays open for 7 days and there is a 48-hour time lock before any approved action is executed. The system also uses Gnosis Safe combined with the Zodiac module, which adds multi-signature protection and keeps treasury actions secure on-chain. Every move involving marketing, liquidity, or token burns must pass through governance, so nothing happens without direct approval from the community. On top of that, guys, every buy and sell on Pepe triggers a 2.5% auto liquidity fee that goes straight to Uniswap. Then the LP tokens created from that fee are burned instantly, which locks the liquidity permanently. As you can see, this setup keeps the liquidity pool growing with every transaction without needing any manual action. There is no access point for it to be pulled, there is no rug risk, and there is no central control. Just a self-sustaining system that protects the community by default. As for the tokenomics, Pepe has a total supply of 1 billion NEOP, and the way it's distributed supports both early growth and long-term stability. 45% is allocated to the pre-sale, 25% goes toward marketing, 10% is set aside for liquidity, another 10% for development, and the remaining 5% each for ecosystem support and community giveaways. This kind of structure keeps incentives aligned, it helps maintain a healthy liquidity base, and it supports the project's ability to grow over time without needing sudden changes or outside funding. Pepe is built as an ERC20 token on Ethereum, fully compatible with all major wallets, and it's designed to work seamlessly within the Ethereum ecosystem. It uses open Zeppelin standards for smart contract security, and everything was audited and made immutable before launch. That means that the contract cannot be changed and that the setup is locked in and transparent from day one. The utility behind the token is active and fully functional, as governance gives holders full control over everything. This includes the treasury, it includes token listings, liquidity action, burns, and ecosystem grants. After launch, there is no central team control, and every decision goes through the DIR, which is giving real weight to every vote. The focus is on real adoption, peer-to-peer value, and building something that lasts beyond the trends. That being said, guys, if you're serious about finding a pre-sale that gives power back to the people holding the token, NeoPepe is already doing that. The pre-sale accepts Ethereum, USDT, and USDC on Ethereum, along with BNB, USDT, and USDC on Binance Smart Chain, and also Ethereum and USDC on Base. The structure is clear, the momentum is real, and the community has full control. This is one of the few projects in 2025 that's actually walking the talk, and the earlier you get in, the stronger your position, so do not miss out.